unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Welcome to Mama Niger's Kitchen Art Studio. Guys, you are welcome with so much love to all my returning and first-time viewers, my subscribers, and those that will be subscribing today. You are so welcome and thank you. Much appreciation, because I know you will do the right thing. If you like what you're going to be saying today, or if you like what you already see, guys, hit that thumbs up. Please hit the thumbs up, drop me a message, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell twice so that you do not miss out on any of my uploads. Guys, Mama Niger's Kitchen Art Studio, a kitchen filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. You will never have a dull moment, guys. Let's head right into the show. Today, as you can see, I am presenting to you simple and easy way to create watermelon fruit basket. Yes, the summer is here, guys. We're gonna be having some parties, some good times, some backyard weekend fun with family and friends. Oh, what a way to wow your friends, guys. Let's see how we're gonna hook up this amazing award-winning fruit basket. So guys, as you saw me do, for beginners, you want to use like an erasable chalk to mark, your line of cutting on your watermelon, so you do not cut into where you don't need to cut. So that will help to guide your movement with the knife to cut the basket properly. So at this point, what I'm doing, guys, is just creating some edging. I will be creating scallop edging on all the surface level, on the edge surface level of this basket, the round as well as the handle. So guys, what do you think? Coming out of Mama Niger Art Studio, it cannot just be a regular basket. Do you agree? So we have to take it a notch up. Yes, raise up the bar, guys. It has to be nothing short of an award-winning fruit basket. Watermelon fruit basket. Oh yes. An astounding masterpiece set in its own class. That's what we are going for. So guys, continue the ride with me. I hope you are having some fun and you are getting some skills. Drop me a message. What do you like so far? Which part of this basket creation do you enjoy? Do you like so far? Oh wow, here we go. Our scallop edge basket is completed. And we have boiled out those melons, those are watermelons into a bowl ready to be, refresh back in once we are ready for that. Now I am going to be using a flower cutter to cut those flowers of different shapes, and I will also be doing some knife work to do some detailed knife work into those flowers, because as I said, it has to be an award winning. All right, so guys, how are you doing today? Let me ask you, how are you doing? I hope you're having a blast at Mama Niger's. Mama Niger's has a plethora of goodies, plethora of mind-intriguing videos, plethora of entertainment videos, value videos for you. Feel free to browse around at Mama Niger's kitchen. You would never have a dull moment, guys. You will only but gain added value. If you are interested in the flower cutters, I will leave a link in my description box. Please check it out. It will enable you to seamlessly achieve some flowers without the knife work.
That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush.
Creating some detailed pattern into the leaves.
I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when
Look at the various shapes of flowers, sizes, structures that we have in the leaves, guys. We are so ready to embellish this basket and take it to that award-winning level. Let's do it, guys. Using that toothpick, we are going to form various design and structural beauty to this basket. Yes, guys, I can never take this for granted. I just give God the glory for the gifts, for the talent, the wisdom for the food art wisdom, and the ability to be able to share this with the world. And again, thank you all so much for creating the time to be here, for watching this video, because if you are not there, there will be no one to watch it, and the mission will be defeated. So I appreciate you for being here, appreciating this art. Thank you so much. Continue to share the video so we can reach more people, infuse humor, infuse laughter, infuse joy and appreciation of just natural artwork into everybody's life that come across the video.
like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Alright guys, I said I was gonna give up some tips on fruit art. So how do you achieve this watermelon balls? Do you need to get a melon baller? Not necessarily. If you have a melon baller, great, you can use that. If you do not, you can also achieve the same result using a teaspoon. The first time I and my children did watermelon balls, we used regular teaspoon, and the result was beautiful. Whoa, that's what I'm talking about, guys. That is more like it. Indeed, an award-winning watermelon fruit basket. If you agree, drop me a comment, guys. Say yes indeed. Say yes indeed in the comment section below. Say yes, give it a thumbs up. Smash, smash, smash it. As a matter of fact, let's blow the record today. If you have always been silent on this channel, on this home, yes, I get thousands of views, but a very few thumbs up. I know you love what you see, but guys, Break the silence today. Break that silence today and smash that thumbs up. Drop a comment. An award winning indeed. Make your presence count. Make it count and push this channel further. Make it count, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. I think that is all she wrote, guys. She is done. Lastly, we're going to make some watermelon slushies from the slushing watermelon, of course. Hence, it is called watermelon slushing. Quite easy, refreshing drink. Break those chunks into bite-sized pieces using a knife. Chill in the refrigerator for 15 minutes and your watermelon slushie is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests of honor, reputable guests of honor, yes, presenting to you an award-winning watermelon fruit basket and watermelon slush. Enjoy. Mwah.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it. That we can make the sun come out. Let us lose.
Watermelon baskets. Whoa.
Can say what's wrong or right. We're the only
Look at the details of your comment right now, guys. Don't hold it. Whatever you're taking off, let it down. Whatever you are taking off, let it down. Let's start from the bottom. Okay, walk all the way up.